The real viewport meta tag genuinely tells mobile browsers how to scale a page, essential for actual responsive design. In this video you'll add the real, correct viewport tag. Without this real tag, mobile browsers genuinely render the page at a real desktop width, then zoom out tiny, unreadable text. Width is equal to device width genuinely sets the real viewport to the actual device's screen width. Initial scale is equal to 1 genuinely disables the default zoomed out rendering. User-scalable is equal to no genuinely prevents real users from pinch zooming. A genuine accessibility problem should almost never be used. The viewport meta tag genuinely is essential for real mobile rendering. Width is equal to device width. Initial scale is equal to 1 genuinely is the real standard, correct value. User-scalable is equal to no genuinely should be avoided. It blocks real accessibility zoom. Add the correct real viewport meta tag to a page missing one. Ready to add a real favicon and site icons?